Victor 5.2 introduces Event Assessment, a powerful feature which helps ensure that operators have all the information, steps, and documentation they may require in a predefined and comprehensive fashion to ensure best practice event handling. Event Assessment in Victor allows system administrators to specify events which must be assessed before they can be acknowledged or cleared, and then to add pre-configured layouts and selected procedures to the Event Assessment window of that event to ensure efficient, complete, and proper processing of, for example, a critical event such as a fire alarm, active shooter, or intruder alert. From an operator's perspective, certain events cannot be cleared and instead an Event Assess button is displayed. When this is clicked, a new Event Assessment layout is launched to provide the details of that specific event, with all the pre-configured cameras, maps, salvos, views, video guard tours, card reads from the last associated door, etc. as required. Here we see a new event coming in. Clicking on the event section of the action bar to open the event viewer, we can see that there is an area temperature alarm. We are unable to acknowledge and clear this event directly from the event viewer, as the buttons to do so are greyed out. However, the assessment button is available. Clicking this opens the event assessment window, in which we can see, in this case, associated cameras, a map, and a video guard tour. We can also see attached instructions, and next to the acknowledge and clear buttons, a button for attached procedures. The operator therefore has all of the relevant event handling tools at his or her disposal in order to effectively manage the event, in the way prescribed by security or system administrators. There are two simple ways to set Event Assessment up in Victor. First of all, by going into Show All Events, right-clicking on the relevant event and selecting Edit, and then Procedures. A pre-existing layout can be added to an event. Click the Select Assessment Procedure button to select the layout required. Note that procedural documents can also be added here by clicking Select Procedure, or Upload to upload a procedure from File, or Add Procedure as Link, for example for health and safety documents regularly updated on file servers and so on. On the other hand, clicking the plus icon, New Assessment Procedure, opens the layout editor from which the Event Assessment window can be configured. Layouts can of course also be created from the Create New hub. Click the plus icon on the navigation bar and select Layout Template. Returning now to the same window as opened from the Procedures field in Events, we will name the layout. Then we have other options for the layout, which in this case will be used as an Event Assessment window to close when the event is acknowledged or cleared, and, importantly, the option to require that events with this template cannot be cleared until the layout is viewed. Note that while the text for this is Priority Event Requires Assessment, no events of any level of priority which use this template will be able to be cleared until the Event Assessment window is viewed. Then, creating the layout is a simple case of dragging objects into the required panes. Cameras, maps, event procedures, salvos and more can be added, as can similar associated objects. Extra panes can be added by clicking the Add Pane button. Also, any unrequired panes can be closed simply by pressing the X in the top right of that pane. Note that video guard tours can also be included in the Event Assessment. For more on the excellent video guard tour feature in Victor 5.2 and above, see the video here on Video Guard Tour in Victor 5.2 and above. When the layout is configured as required, click Save or Save and Close to save the layout. Finally, in the Event Edit page, configure any other event settings as required, and then click Save or Save and Close to save the event. To test the setup, we will manually activate the event from the Event Show All list, which will cause the event to display in the event viewer. We can see here that the event cannot now be acknowledged or cleared. Clicking on the available Event Assess button opens the layout we have configured for this event, with the map, cameras and documents that we have added. We can then acknowledge and clear our simulated event. That's the administrator and operator empowering Event Assessment feature in Victor 5.2 and above. Efficient event handling and best practice configured in just a few clicks. Thank you for watching.